In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GSAP in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow so you are inside the designer and ready to make changes. This setup is very simple, but it's important to know where the GSAP controls live and what you need before you can turn them on. Once your project is open, look over to the left sidebar and click the Settings gear icon. This is where you will find project-level options that affect how certain tools and libraries are added to your site. After opening Settings, click on the GSAP section. That will take you directly to the area where GSAP can be enabled for your Webflow project. Before you switch anything on, here is one important thing to note. To install GSAP in Webflow, you need to be on a paid plan. If your project is not on a paid plan, the GSAP option may be unavailable, or you may not be able to activate it. So if you don't see the controls working as expected, that's the first thing to check. If you do have a paid plan, you can go ahead and toggle the switch on to include the core GSAP library. This is the main library that gives you access to GSAP's animation capabilities inside Webflow. Turning this on makes the core functionality available for your project, so you can begin working with motion in a more advanced and flexible way. Next, use the checkboxes to enable any premium plugins you want to work with, such as Scroll Trigger, Split Text, or Flip. These plugins expand what GSAP can do and are useful for different animation styles and behaviors. For example, some are great for scroll-based effects, while others help with text animation or layout transitions. You should only enable the ones you plan to use, which helps keep your setup clean and intentional. Once those options are enabled, you can immediately begin using these libraries directly inside Webflow. To do that, go to the Interactions panel and look for the GSAP-related options. Under Interactions with GSAP, from there, you can start applying triggers and building animation timelines without needing to handle the installation manually. Outside the platform, that's all to it. Thanks for watching.